Hey YouTube, welcome to my next video. This time how I get my 4.84 second single, and I will show you how I reconstruction. So let's scrambling. So this scramble yellow cross super nicely and pairs super easily. 1, 2, 3, 4 pair, and I see my first pair in here. And F' R, D2, R2, F2. My first pair is here and D2. 3 more insert, rotation, and this case super nicely. F' rotation again. And I see my third pair in here. It's mirror 1. And in this case I just use sledgehammer and 3 block super easily OL and PL skip. And thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.